is the charming capital city of Switzerland that's renowned for having a rich history and stunning architecture. Nestled in the heart of the Swiss Alps, it perfectly mixes old world charm with a modern lifestyle. Bern has its own small airport, which serves multiple international destinations all over the world, as well as several domestic destinations within Switzerland. It's also well connected by train to other major cities, including Zurich and Geneva within Switzerland, as well as major cities outside of Switzerland, like Paris and Milan. I have arrived in Bern and I've checked into my hotel, so I'm just going for a little wander around the city now. Bern's Old Town is a certified UNESCO World Heritage Site and considered one of the most well-preserved medieval towns in Europe. Here you can explore the narrow streets and alleys which are lined with charming buildings, fountains and fantastic sculptures. One of the most famous landmarks in the Old Town is the Zeitglocke clock tower, which dates back to the 13th century and features a moving parade of bears. You'll also find many museums to explore, family-run shops and cafes and restaurants to dine at. Bern is famous for its many fountains, which can be found all over the city. Many of them date back to the 16th century and are considered to be works of art. Each has its own sculpture and unique story. You can easily find them just by walking around the quaint old town. Many of them are located in public squares and are very easy to spot. The Swiss Parliament building is a prominent landmark in Bern. It's the seat of the Swiss government, and provided Parliament isn't in session, you can take a guided tour of the building. It offers an insight into Switzerland's political system and the history of the country. Plus, you can explore the impressive halls and ornate chambers of the building. A beautiful example of Gothic architecture located in the heart of the city, Bern Cathedral was built in the 15th century and it's considered one of the most important landmarks in Bern. The cathedral's most striking feature is its towering spire, which stands at 100 meters tall and can be seen from across the city. If you're feeling brave enough, you can climb to the top of the spire for panoramic views of Bern and the surrounding countryside. Inside, take the time to admire the intricate stained glass windows, which cast colourful shadows over the ornate altar and impressive pipe organ.
Not entirely sure where I'm headed. Kind of looks a bit ominous. Just following Google Maps. This historic bridge spans the Aar River, connecting the Old Town with the river's eastern bank. I personally think it's one of the best photo spots in Bern. I wasn't able to, but try to visit at sunset if you can, because I think it would just look gorgeous with that golden sunset glow. I stayed at the Best Western Plus Hotel Bern, which was in a great location for exploring the city and had a modern yet minimalist feel. The hotel also has a lovely rooftop bar, and you don't have to be a guest to visit it. It's the perfect spot for sipping on a cocktail, having a bite to eat, and gazing across the beautiful Swiss landscape. Make sure you check out the video description for useful links and further information.